Hey guys, Diamond Hunter 4001. Today I'll be making a video how to make slime. I did a video, but then I thought, why should I upload a video? And I didn't have borax, and I was like, why should I make a video? I made a video, so I didn't want to put it because I thought the slime was really ugly. I don't even know how ugly it was, but I made it with Tide, and then it was soapy. All those people who are watching in my school, I brought it. I think you guys, some people from my bus remember it, but most of you don't. So the things that we'll be needing is Elmer's glue, clear or white, it doesn't really matter. You'll need a cup and a half. I don't have a cup and a half, so I got a half cup and a cup and a half. A cup! We will be needing food coloring, a tablespoon, and we will need, of course, borax. If you guys don't know where to get borax, you could get it at Walmart. I know that you could get it at Walmart, but I got my borax at Target today. So guys, I will fill up the water, a cup and a half, and then I will get right back to you and then show you what you need to do next. Okay guys, see you there. Okay guys, so I'm back. I filled up 1 cup. So now the second step we're supposed to do is to put all the water in your cup, like so. Put that to the side, and then we'll need borax, a tablespoon of borax. So, it's not working. Guys, it's not working. Guys, I'll be back when I open this borax. Okay, guys. Okay guys, so I opened it. Now we'll need to get our tablespoon, of course. We'll need our tablespoon. If it fits. So it's not fitting. It's not fitting. Guys, I'll get back to you when I get it fit. Okay guys, so I'm back. Actually, if you guys got a tablespoon, it was wrong. I messed it up. Tablespoon, teaspoon. You say tomato, or I say tomato. It's different. So I got a tablespoon, and so now I'm gonna get the borax and put it in there. I'm gonna put the borax in there. Do I have the borax? No, I don't have enough. What? Borax. I got it. So you just put it inside. Put all you can, and of course, use your tablespoon if you didn't put it. I'm just going to use my tablespoon to mix it. Keep going until you have no more borax and just like a whitish liquid. Oh! It just hit my face. It's mad at me. I don't think it wants to become slime. Doesn't smell like anything, but Put it here. Okay. Oh no! Sorry about that, guys. The tablespoon thought it was smart and going inside of the thing. So we're done with the borax. Now the second part is to get the slime ready. So this is how you do it. Get your second bowl. So I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna use this glue for now. This one, the Elmer glue. Boom. Took it out. It smells horrible. So we put all of it in. Not all of it, but 4 ounces or 5. This is 5 ounces, so. Oh no, this is 4 ounces, so put everything in. This is 4 ounces. To put it in. If you guys don't know where to get Elmer's glue, I think most of you should know, but just in case, they sell it mostly at Target or any place that like maybe Michael's. I got this at Target. Oh. Okay, and when you're done with this, I just don't wanna waste any glue. Actually, this one just waiting for it to all drop in there. Come on, come on, come on! This thing never ends. Oh, this is why I have this. Boom, like that. Oh, get down there. Ah, whatever. We already did it. So, there we have our glue. Next step is to fill up it with half a cup. So, I'll get back to it when we got a half a cup. Okay guys, so I'm back with the half a cup. We just put it in carefully because it's almost full. There you go. So now what you want to do, you want to get this thing, and since if you already used everything, or not, if you didn't use anything,